Are you intrigued by the art of culinary innovation and how it can be used to promote a healthier heart? Cooking with heart-healthy fats is your passport to the world of cooking with fats that not only tantalize your taste buds but also support your cardiovascular well-being. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore the culinary magic of heart-healthy fats, unveiling the secrets of creating dishes that not only satisfy your cravings but also contribute to a heart-conscious lifestyle. 1. The heart-healthy fat conundrum. In the opening paragraph, introduce the conundrum of fats, where indulgence often collides with heart health. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to culinary satisfaction that supports cardiovascular well-being. 2. Understanding heart-healthy fats. Begin by defining what heart-healthy fats are and why they matter. Describe how these fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, can improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. The role of fats in cooking. Delve into the critical role of fats in culinary applications. Emphasize how fats can be used for sautéing, roasting, frying, and even baking to add flavor and texture to dishes. 4. Heart-healthy fat sources. Explore the sources of heart-healthy fats, such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Discuss how these ingredients can be integrated into a variety of dishes. 5. Substituting saturated fats. Discuss the science behind substituting saturated fats with heart-healthy options. Explain how this can lead to reduced levels of LDL cholesterol, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol. 6. Culinary techniques. Highlight the culinary techniques for cooking with heart-healthy fats. Offer tips on how to enhance flavors and maintain the nutritional quality of dishes. 7. Balancing fats in meals. Share the importance of balancing fats in meals. Discuss the need for moderation and offer suggestions for creating well-rounded and delicious dishes. 8. The long-term heart-healthy culinary journey. Conclude with the idea that cooking with heart-healthy fats isn't just a passing trend, it's a lifelong commitment to culinary delight and cardiovascular well-being. Encourage readers to embrace heart-healthy fats as a permanent fixture in their kitchen for lasting heart health. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the art of cooking with heart-healthy fats but will also be motivated to incorporate them into their culinary practices, ensuring that they can relish flavorful meals that also contribute to a healthier heart. Cooking with heart-healthy fats is a journey into a world of culinary delight and heart-conscious choices, where each dish becomes an opportunity to savor the pleasures of heart-healthy cooking. So, let's embark on this culinary journey and discover the remarkable benefits of cooking with heart-healthy fats for your cardiovascular well-being. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.